Work has been gradually progressing at the new government house road construction in Awka. So we are going to give you the update of the situation reports concerning the progress of work so far. And another important thing is that the contractor, has been on site doing one thing or the other, but concentrating for now on drainage, that's the gutters, which they are almost about to be completed. And we are going to show you in this video that this road is going to be a dual road, but to a certain extent, and we are going to show you where the dualization will end. Yes, presently we are moving down to the government house, where the road construction is going on. But I know that the road construction is going to still take care of this axis as they bring it down here to join this road that leads to Aroma Junction. So that is the Federal Secretariat, and we are moving towards that axis to see the level of work done so far. So this is close to Elesekweme. You can see the effects of Elesekweme Square. Well, you know that presently Anambra State is talking about house repainting challenge, and inside the house repainting challenge you have one of the criteria for measurement is clean drainages and clean environment. So the competition is all over Anambra State, and the point I want to make here is that this is government establishment Alexekweme, and is under Anambra State government. Probably a particular ministry is in charge of it. So look at how bushy this place is, and then a part of the competition, part of the challenge that we are talking about, which involves clean environments and clean drainage. I'm sure there is gutter somewhere there, and everywhere has been taken over by debris and bushes and plants. Another criteria is planting the right tree, recommended tree. Where is it? We have to be careful, when government goes into such a plan. It is good, yes, it's a wonderful development and it is good, but government should be mindful of their own establishment too, and immediately start doing something about their own establishment. This is just a subtle reminder for the government establishment. They should be the first, they should move out first to take care of their own environment while people are doing their own, because it's not just limited to streets. It's not just for street, it's everywhere in Anambra State, and leadership is by example. So I want you to make sure that you share this video so that some government officials and every other way to do a meaningful Anambrarian will see it, and people that are concerned should take note and do the needful. All we are saying is that we want a better environment, and our environment is our pride. That is why we are all involved in this campaign and enlightenment. Well, we know that Anambra have suffered a long years of environmental neglect, which the present governor is trying his best to bring it up once again, having suffered some neglect years back. So, but that is the point. Let's keep going towards the newly construction road. Here you are having a front view of the new government house, the entire premises of government house. This is the front view from where you are looking at here. Last time we visited, we went, or last two times we visited, we went towards that drainage construction site. We saw everything that is going on there. We took our time to show you everything. Well, this is a slab. I don't know where they are going to use this slab, what they are going to use it to cover, but it's quite very exposed here, so I don't know what they are going to do with it. So about ours is to give you update as things happens. We see them and we update them to you. And secondly, we usually talk about closed drainage in a built-up area, which is the global standard all over the world. Even some of these small African countries, they all do their road to standard. Walkways, covered drainage, neat road, well marked and painted with street lights and traffic lights. That's when the road is fully done and dusted. So about some will always say that half bread is better than none, and that is what many people are saying. So but let's keep going and see exactly what is happening here. Earlier I talked about dual carriageway, that this road is going to be dualized. So you see this area now, this area is under dualization. This particular area from here up to the other side. So let's move up. I will show you where the dualization will end and the normal single carriageway continues towards the other end. So let's watch what is going on here. And the other thing I noticed here is that the gutters are almost completed, almost. So you know that when they are completed, the next thing is to level up, fill up, stone base, and final tarring of the road. Yes, the dual carriage continues through this place towards the other end. So this place is under dualization, but when we go up, I will show you where it's going to end. So as you know, this is the fence of the government house, and okay, this dump, I thought the commissioner for environment made mention of this kind of dump, that Anambra State have stopped, public dumping of refuse, that they usually keep their refuse at home. When they come to pack them, they will bring it out. That this kind of dumping is not done again, but you can see it here. Probably they need to move around. That's why I said, Commissioner for Environment, I know you are trying, but once in a while you move around the places that you are supposed to oversee and see for yourself what is going on there. That's on intention. Just move around and see the situation. I'm sure of what I'm saying. In that interview, he said it. Public dumping of refuse is not allowed, but that thing belongs to the government, and it belongs to the environmental department of the government. So now this is where the dual carriageway will end. You can see it just before you bend towards the back of the government house premises. You can see that road here is narrowed down. You can observe it well. Probably if you don't get it very well here, when we turn coming out from the single lane, you will see it better. You can see the whole of this place have their drainage completed. Yes, today we are not going to move further down. We'll just have a peep from here, because last time we came here, we moved down and we saw almost where this road ends. So, but if you are interested in seeing where this road ends, please, you can check our last update in our videos. You can check it there, you'll see it, and you watch where the road ends. For now, there is a stream down there, and we did not get up to that stream anyway, but we can see from far where the road ends. So that stream, we need a bridge, a little bridge to cross over, and that was the bridge I was talking about when last time we visited Obunoime, that road towards Obunoime. So I guess this is where that road comes out, because earlier on they have said that that road, you will use it to connect the new government house. So until they do the little bridge, then the road can connect down to Obunoime and to Y Junction. So that is it. So now we are having the reverse view. I want you to observe this place now. Shortly, we are going to come out where the dualization ends. So yes, now you see this place that there is sharp bend at the gutter. This is where it ends. You can see the space. You can see that this place is very wide. It is very wide. You can see the width is bigger than the one we are coming out from. So here you can see it very well. The width of this place is far, far bigger than the other one. So this is where the dualization will end. So let's have a closer look at the other side of the gutters. You can see. So, but honestly speaking, I don't know why these open gutters. We have said it times without number. The disadvantages, they are, enormous. But if the gutters are covered, that is the standard, and it always prevents debris, waste from entering inside the gutter. Once in a while, they will clean it up, and the cover provides a walkway. Well, let's see how it goes, but the open drainages are not the best. That is what we are campaigning here. It's part of our campaign. Closed drainage is the best in the built-up area, and in one of the videos we have said it and made people to know the advantages of closed drainage. Yes, right now we are moving towards where we started this coverage. And if you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, notification bell, like this video, and don't forget to share this video, share it with others, let them watch. And let's see your comments in the comment box. So now we are back in the frontage of the entire government house premise, and that is where we are now, where the contractor handling this job is called GELD. GELD, they have some few pockets of work in Anambra State. Well, viewers, until I come your way next time, I'm still Chinedu, your presenter, and I say bye for now.